Welcome to our roundup of the best rotary tools of 2026. Versatile, precision instruments designed to handle everything from detailed engraving and polishing to cutting, sanding, carving, and drilling. Whether you're working on DIY projects, woodworking, jewelry making, home repairs, or crafts, a reliable rotary tool can become one of the most frequently used items in your workshop. Modern rotary tools offer variable speed control, ergonomic handling, interchangeable accessories, and improved battery systems that make them easier and more efficient to use than ever before. In this guide, we've selected some of the top models based on power, ease of use, build quality, accessory compatibility, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each one stand out. Starting with the Dremel 4V cordless rotary tool kit. This model is a great choice for lightweight and small-scale projects. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces where corded tools can't reach, and the 4V battery offers enough power for light engraving, polishing, and sanding jobs. The included accessories typically cover basic cutting, grinding, and cleaning tasks, so you can start working right out of the box. Users appreciate how easy it is to handle, especially for detailed work and hobby applications, making it ideal for beginners or occasional DIYers who want a simple, reliable tool without extra bulk. It's also USB rechargeable in many versions, adding convenience for quick top-ups between projects and making it easy to keep powered at all times. Next up is the Phalanx Rotary Tool Kit, a well-rounded option that brings solid performance at a value price. It usually includes a generous assortment of accessories, giving you flexibility to tackle multiple tasks without needing to buy extras. With variable speed control and a comfortable grip, this tool lets you adjust airflow and precision depending on the material you're working with. It's a good choice for general-purpose cutting, sanding, grinding, and cleaning on wood, metal, and plastic. Whether you're doing home maintenance or craft projects, this model provides consistent performance without being overly complicated. The durable motor housing and steady speed output make it suitable for longer sessions without noticeable drops in performance. Moving on to the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. This compact unit packs convenience into a portable form factor. It's ideal for work where mobility matters most: small repair jobs, detailed carvings, jewelry work, or even miniature modeling tasks. The cordless battery design means you're free from restrictions of cords, and its lightweight body reduces fatigue during extended use. While it may not offer the same raw power as larger models, its precision and ease of handling make it a great choice for intricate or close-up work where control is key. Multiple speed settings also allow better adjustment for delicate materials, helping prevent overcutting or surface damage during fine detail tasks. Stepping up a bit in power and performance is the Dremel 12V cordless rotary tool, a versatile model that balances strength with portability. With a more powerful battery system and improved torque over lower voltage models, this tool is capable of handling heavier cutting, grinding, and drilling tasks. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, home improvement repairs, or automotive detailing, it provides dependable performance across a wide range of applications. The cordless design still allows you to work freely around a workshop or job site, while the ergonomic grip and variable speed settings help you maintain accuracy and control throughout. Its brushless motor design in certain versions also enhances efficiency and extends overall tool lifespan. Claiming the top spot for overall versatility, power, and value is the Goksui Rotary Tool Kit. This model delivers strong performance for a wide range of projects, from detailed crafts to more demanding tasks. It typically comes with a robust set of accessories that expand its usability right out of the box, allowing you to cut, carve, engrave, polish, and sand without needing many add-ons. The variable speed control helps you dial in the right pace for each material, while the ergonomic design improves comfort during longer work sessions. Built for both beginners and experienced users, this kit stands out as a complete, dependable choice that can handle almost anything you throw at it. Its sturdy carrying case also helps keep accessories organized and makes storage and transport more convenient. All of these rotary tools serve different needs and project types. The Dremel 4V cordless rotary tool kit is great for entry-level and light-duty tasks, while the Phalanx rotary tool kit offers solid everyday performance at a value price. The Hardell Mini cordless rotary tool focuses on precision and portability. The Dremel 12V cordless rotary tool brings more power for heavier jobs, and the Goksui Rotary Toolkit stands out as the most versatile and comprehensive option overall. That wraps up our list of the best rotary tools of 2026. From compact handheld units for detailed work to powerful kits built for serious projects. If you're upgrading your toolkit, starting new projects, or adding a versatile tool to your collection, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which rotary tool you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and take your projects to the next level with the right rotary tool in hand.